With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, in this question, some pair of ions are given below, in which pair first ion is more stable than second one. So let's start. So this question is all about stability of carbocation. So stability of carbocation is depend upon, means that it is stabilized by hyperconjugation by, we can say, the number of alpha hydrogen is directly proportional to the stability of carbocation, or we can say that second is there plus M effect. Plus M effect also stabilize the carbocation. Plus M effect, and the groups are O, Me. We can say that first group, we can say that second group, we can say that NH2. So both are the groups which are showing plus M effect, and they are stabilizing more. So if we are comparing hyperconjugation plus M effect, plus M effect is more dominating. Plus M effect is more dominating than hyperconjugation. All right, this is the basic of the organic chemistry. So let's apply this organic chemistry basics in the question. First, in the option first, we have this type of carbocation. Here we will count number of alpha hydrogens. So here we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 6 alpha hydrogen is there. 6 alpha hydrogen is there. So it will stabilize by hyperconjugation, and here we have plus M effect. All right, so this is the plus, it will show plus M effect here. This is the OCH3. We can say that this will show plus M effect by donating its pi lone pair to the carbocation. It will stabilize and it will give this type of residue structure. Second will give this type of residue structure. We have CH3, CH, here we carbocation, and in this position we have OCH3. So this is our plus M. It will show plus M effect by donating its lone pair to the pi to the carbocation. It will give this type of residue structure, CH3 CH double bond OCH3 and positive. So we will notice that in this residue structure, all atoms in the present in this compound have complete their octet. All atoms, we can say that atoms have complete their octet. That's why, this is the reason, that's why plus M effect is always dominating than the hyperconjugation. Hyperconjugation never complete the octet, but plus M effect can complete the octet. In this case, octet of every atom will complete it. That's why it is the more stable compound as compared to the first one. So this is more stable and it will less stable. So the statement is first one should be stable. So this is the wrong one, because second one is stable. That's what is wrong. So let's talk about second one. Second, B option. In B option we have this type of carbocation is there. So we will count number of alpha hydrogen. So we have 5 alpha hydrogen is there, and in this case we will count a number of alpha hydrogen. Why? Because this pi bond is not in this position. If it is in position, then we can say that there is a resonance, but this pi bond is in this position. That's why there is no resonance will take place, and we will only count number of alpha hydrogen. So number of alpha hydrogen will be equal to the only 2. This is alpha carbon. It has only 2 alpha hydrogen. That's why we can say that this first one compound is more stable than second one. So according to the question, this is the correct answer. So let's move to the further C option. In C option we will count number of alpha hydrogen. So here this is the alpha carbon. It has alpha hydrogen. It has only 1 alpha hydrogen. And let's talk about this. It has resonance. It is a resonance, and it will give this type of resonating structure. We have this type of ring is there, and here we have positive charge. It will give this type of resonating structure which stabilize the carbocation. Here positive charge will come, and here double bond will come. So in this structure, resonance is there. Resonance take place. Here in this resonating structure, there is a delocalization of pi electron will take place. The pi electron will take place that will stabilize the compound, or we can say that or we can say that there is a delocalization of positive charge that will stabilize that positive charge. Delocalization will generally stabilize the charges. Alright, so let us that's why it is more stable. Resonance will more stable as compared to hyperconjugation. Alright, so let us see the option. So in the C option, this is the more stable. Second one is more stable, so this is the wrong answer. So the D option will have, this is the carbocation, and here in this case we will count number of alpha hydrogen. 3 from this side, 3 from this side. Here will be 3 plus 3 6 and plus 1 7. It has 7 alpha hydrogen. Alright, so let's count here alpha hydrogen. It has 3 plus 3, it has 6 alpha hydrogen. Along with it, it has plus M effect. There is a plus M effect by nitrogen side. As we study here, nitrogen will also show plus M effect. So it will donate this lone pair and it will stabilize the carbocation. So it will more stable. Let's draw its resonating structure. So it will look like this. If you want to draw, this nitrogen will donate its lone pair and it will give this type of resonating structure, which will look like this, and double bond CH3. Here we have CH3 and CH3. So here we will observe that this resonating structure, we will notice that this carbon has complete its octet. That's why plus M effect is very dominating than hyperconjugation. All right, so we can say that this is the second one is more stable. Second one structure is more stable as compared to first one. That's why it is also wrong. So the correct answer of this question is option B. Option B is correct. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut App today.